In today's video, we'll be exploring the best way to reach Thessaloniki's SKG airport and the picturesque Chalkidiki Peninsula while avoiding the dreaded traffic of the city center. What's the best option? Are there any tolls along the way? Let's dive right in. When it comes to getting to your destination hassle-free, steering clear of the city center is a wise choice. Traffic congestion can often cause unnecessary delays and frustration. But don't worry, we've got the perfect solution for you. Enter the savior of your travel plans, the Ring Road of Thessaloniki. This well-designed road encircles the city and provides a convenient way to bypass the busy center. By using the eastern section of the Ring Road, you'll save valuable time and enjoy a smoother driving experience. Now, you might be wondering, are there any tolls along the way? Well, good news. The Ring Road of Thessaloniki is toll-free, meaning you can zip past without reaching for your wallet. It's a win-win situation. The construction of the Ring Road of Thessaloniki was a monumental project, planned from the 1970s that aimed to enhance connectivity and alleviate traffic congestion. Nowadays, it provides a much-needed solution for those traveling around the city. But wait, there's more. Plans are underway for a new addition to the Ring Road family, an eastern overhead ring road with a spectacular flyover elevated expressway. This ambitious project aims to further improve traffic flow and create a seamless driving experience. If you do need to access the city center for any reason, fear not. The Ring Road of Thessaloniki offers multiple exit points that cater to different needs. For those of you driving through the city, there is the option to exit starting from the Voulgari area. This is just an alternative route that joins the Ring Road of Thessaloniki seamlessly. By taking this route, you can easily connect to the Ring Road and enjoy a hassle-free trip to your destination. And there you have it. The Ring Road of Thessaloniki provides the perfect solution to bypass the city center when traveling to the SKG airport and Chalkidiki Peninsula. It takes detailed planning and a long time to shoot, edit, and create this content. If our videos help you in your travels, please remember to like, subscribe, and keep on watching them. It will help us grow Bestravelvideo and constantly evolve, providing you with even better content.